my channel. Welcome back to 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 my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. We do mostly synthetic wig related content here. It's multicultural. It is inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay. I have a very quick show and tell. I do not have any clips of me getting her together, but I did want to share this wig with you because it's gorgeous and it's inexpensive and it looks like my real hair. So let's get to it. All right, today I am wearing Sister Wigs YOLO. I have her in the color FS4/30. Okay, she is a 4-inch deep parting hand-tied part. This is a lace front wig. She comes in some colors. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped her up from Glamour Tress for $24.14. Let's get talking about this girl. I love this wig. And the funny thing is that when I picked her up, she was tangled because I'd been putting her on, you know, moving her around from this model to this model to this model. She's fallen on the floor a billion times because I just wasn't getting to her. So today, I actually wasn't even going to film. I was just putting this wig. I needed something, okay? And I wanted something closer to my natural hair color because I had already laid baby hairs, okay? This wig did come with baby hairs. Yeah, you can see a little bit here. I cut away most of them just because of where I need to cut in terms of the lace. But this wig is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. This is it's a yaki textured, but it's definitely multicultural because it's like sort of that protein infused. I've been using a comb. It is catching, but let me tell you, she's fallen on the ground like 50 times. But I've never put her on before, so this is my first time putting her on. This is about 18 or so inches. This beautiful curl is just amazing. She does respond very, very well to a round brush, so you can see. So you can get the curls very tight if you wanted to, or you can fluff them out. My only con, this is my only con. I would say the wig cap isn't overly large. I am wearing a wig grip, but I had to actually loosen it. So I would say it's more of an average wig cap. My only con is this. This is all the hair to the front, so the density is very, very nice. I don't know why this is. If you are a wig manufacturer and you can tell me why this is, it's really annoying. This side goes out and this side comes in. I hate that. If you're gonna go out on the side, on the one side, I even tried to put some heat to this to pull it up a little bit, but the curls are just going the other direction. And I do see, they're like, no. So that's my only con, is I wish it was like this on both sides. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah. Oh, the movement is gorgeous. She was actually a little bit, I know some people make a comment, so I have flattened her down. She actually was up a little bit, and I think, yeah, so I think for like a multicultural situation, I know some people would really like to have a little bit more lift here. I don't, but that's a preference. Hi, Kit Kat. So it did come that way, so I flattened it down. So you can do that, or you can leave it with a little bit, you know, of lift right there. What I'm going to do, because this side is going to bother me because it's coming in, is this is the side that I'm going to take and put behind my ear. Because I always like to have one. I don't know why I like to have one side behind my ear. I guess it's that whole idea that I had said in a video where I talked about making your wig look natural. I think, you know, it's that whole idea of like not making it be perfect. So to have it down and be like so coiffed in the front, I think is, you know, something I just like it to look like, yeah, I was just hanging out, tucking my hair behind my ear, you know, that sort of thing. Plus then it addresses this curl that I'm not happy with, because then it makes more sense that it's going in, if that makes sense. If what I'm saying about the curl pattern is making sense to you, please put it down below, because sometimes I'm like, do anybody even understand what I mean? This color is stunning. It's definitely a number 4. You see the little bit of 30 running through there. I definitely recommend this wig. I feel like it looks like my real hair, and I'm happy with it. It is not a large wig cap, just keep that in mind. So, if you have this wig and you have any thoughts, put this down below. If there is another sister wig or Zuri wig, because they're the same company, that you would like to have me review, put that down below. I will put my full playlist down below though, just so you can check out to see what I already have reviewed. If you're new here, please check out my playlist and my catalog, because I think I have like 700 or 800 videos. So usually if you are looking for it, I already made it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!